Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepe Habibi token. Now this token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. There's a few hours left. They're trending number 2 right now. Ticker symbol is Pphbb. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Pepe Habibi token. So they have a full audit. So they were audited by CFG Ninja, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC on here, which means that their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. So it says Pepe Habibi is the wealthiest Pepe of all. They have an alpha team that did 300 times and 40 times on 2 other projects. It says 0% tax. 6.9% of the tokens are locked for future central exchange listings. 6.9% of the tokens burned. Contract renounced at launch. No team tokens. Trending. 4chan and Reddit ads. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track. So that's what it says there on PinkSale. So there's a couple hours left of this pre-sale. It's going to finish very shortly. They are trending right now. They're doing very well. They've already well passed their soft cap. But if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase over there, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token. All you'd have to do to get this token is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Pepe Habibi token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, peppehabibi.com. You probably will not have to change slippage because of the, it says 0% taxes, so slippage will probably just be fine the way it is at the default setting, which I believe is 0.1%. And it says liquidity is locked on PancakeSwap here for 365 days. So that's a good lock on there, decent amount of time. Now, initial market cap estimate for this project is $86,769. For the pre-sale, they just set their soft cap at 15 BNB. And they've already sold 176.27 BNB, and there's still a few hours left to go, so I'm sure they're going to sell a lot more. They've had 241 total investors contribute to this pre-sale. Now, if you want to know exactly when the pool is filled on PancakeSwap, I would follow one of their socials, and they'll most likely announce it on there, like their Twitter, which is at Pepe_Habibi on Twitter, and their Telegram at Pepe Habibi. So those are the 2 socials I would most likely follow to find out when the pool is filled on PancakeSwap. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token, a total supply of 1 billion tokens. They have 567 million tokens for pre-sale and a little bit over 283 million tokens for liquidity. So their token metrics pie chart, 6.9% of the tokens get burnt. Only 1.13% of the tokens are unlocked. 6.9% of the tokens go to central exchange listings. 28.34% liquidity and 56.71% go to pre-sale. Now, there is a quick audit that you can check out on PinkSale by Seifu Audit. And there's all good check marks on it. There's no bad warnings. It says no mint function found. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. No blacklist wallet function. Owner cannot pause trading, and owners cannot set the fees over 10%. And it says current fees are 0. So those are all good things there. Now they do have an 8-page white paper that you could check out. So it says, Pphbb coin is a cryptocurrency created for the meme fans worldwide. The platform offers unique features, including a staking mechanism, so you could stake this token to get more tokens, that rewards users for holding the Pphbb coin, and a quick, secure payment method ideal for online transactions. The Pphbb coin's roadmap outlines the goals for expanding the community, introducing new items, and improving the platform's website. The liquidity locking technique gives users and investors confidence by ensuring the token's stability and long-term viability. Pphbb coin provides a fresh way for users to interact with the meme community, and with its potential to grow in popularity, it offers exciting opportunities for its users. So it's a BEP20 token, 0 fees. Now it says the roadmap outlines plans. It says in Q2 2023, the platform will be launched, the staking system will be introduced, and the token will be listed on major exchanges. In Q4 2023, the mobile app will be launched, outreach efforts will be expanded, the additional features will be developed. Now in Q2 2024, the NFT marketplace and debit card will be launched. And in Q4 next year, we're going to have the Pphbb coin will be integrated into popular online platforms, and a charity initiative will be launched. So why would you get this token? It says liquidity is locked, help provide users with a peace of mind so that there'll be no rug pulls at play. So they're going to have Pancake Swap next, and then it says central exchange partnerships will follow. And in conclusion, Pphbb coin offers a fresh approach to crypto, focusing on user experience, community building, and innovation. The liquidity locking mechanism ensures the stability and long-term sustainability of the token, providing investors with confidence. Pphbb coin offers exciting opportunities to interact with the meme community and participate in the growth of the platform. Join the community. And then it says thank you. So yeah, check out their socials. They have a lot of socials listed on Pink Sale. Check out their webpage, PepeHabibi.com. Pretty soon, a couple days, this token will most likely be listed on Pancake Swap. So follow their socials to see when that happens. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.